Hey everyone, today we are unboxing the brand new Elo M50 mobile computer handheld. Let's go ahead and dive right in. So as we open the box, I can show you what's in it. We've got a quick start guide. We've got the device itself. Remove the insert. We have the quick charging cable and power supply. And then we have two plugs that we can adapt for Europe. So let's go ahead and dive right into the device. The device itself, when you pick it up, you can feel that it's commercial ready, but it's not bulky. This device is 5.5 inches from corner to corner, and it's got Gorilla Glass on it, and it's IP65, so it's drop ready. So let's go ahead and look around the device. Over here we have a function key. On this side we have a function key as well as a volume key. And these control the scanner on top, the 2D barcode scanner, as well as the camera with flash on the back. From here we can see that we can take the battery off pretty easily, swap it out, and we also have an SD slot right there for expandable memory. Slap it right back on. This device truly is intended to be a one-stop shop, everything you need in the palm of your hand. It comes with a powerful Qualcomm 2.2 gigahertz processor, and it also has Android 10. So this is truly ready for any application that you could ever need. Everything from warehousing to hospital to retail, you name it. It can really hit just about any solution that you could ever want. From here, that's about all you need. You just need to power on the device, enter your information into your EloView account, and then it's just like any other Android device that you've ever used. Pretty simple, pretty easy, no complaints. From there, thanks for watching. Feel free to tune in for our accessory video coming soon.